Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Can I get a demo? Thank you. Can I come in?
Yeah. Should be okay for one more.
Could you tell me your name and equipment first before demo?
Brett McCormick. 4 M1 DC level 618s. Okay. They've been built, they're not all DC, but it's DC motors, DC cell parts. And it's just on 2 5Ks right now. It's not making a lot of power.
Who built it?
I did.
Nice work, man. What is your tuning spec on this?
31.
31? Okay.
But because it's on such low power, it peaks a lot differently.
Where are you peaking at?
Sealed 27.
27? Oh, wow.
Door open 36.
Okay. You said that was on low power?
Yeah, they're wired up. It's built for 4 5Ks.
Oh, okay.
It's only on 2, so they're wired real high.
Yes, sir.
I estimate somewhere between 3 and 1,000 watts collectively.
Okay.
It's not a lot of power.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Yeah, it's an old build. This is 5 years old now.
Okay. Wow.
It's been around for a minute. Yeah.
I like it, man. Can I see the amp? Is it open in the back?
Yeah. It's messy because it's temporary.
I understand. So right now you said you're wired up. So is it 2 ohm or 1 ohm strap?
Well, they're 0.7 per. That's
okay.
up.
Oh, okay.
On 4 amps they'll be 0.35.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. This is all temporary.
Yeah.
Don't judge it. I do much nicer work than this, but this was just to get here today.
Yes, sir. To get it
put
playing.
This together last week.
To get it playing. All right.
They're getting a little hot. They're not real happy. I'm playing a lot lower than tuning.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're wired up. It's built for 4 or 5Ks.
Oh, okay.
It's only on 2, so they're wired real high.
Yes, sir.
I estimate somewhere between 3 and 1,000 watts collectively.
Okay.
It's not a lot of power.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.